Hey folks, welcome to today's video. We're diving into the easiest passive income stream you can set up in just 5 minutes, high-interest savings accounts. Last month, I made a cool £400 from mine, and I barely lifted a finger. Let's break it down. What they are, why you should use them, and where to find top picks. Let's go. So, what is passive income? It's money that rolls in without you working for it every day. Think of writing a book. You do the work up front, and then every time it sells, you get paid. Compare that to a 9-to-5 job where you have to work to earn. Here's a quick example. Let's say you have £10,000 in a regular savings account earning 0.1% interest. You'd make just £10 after a year. But switch to a high-interest account at 2%, and boom, you'd earn £200. All that from just setting it up in 5 minutes. It pays to check what type of accounts your savings are in now and what they are earning. Why should you jump on high-interest savings accounts? 3 big reasons. 1, risk-free. They're usually backed by the Financial Conduct Authority. That means up to £85,000 of your money is protected if the bank goes belly up. Sweet, right? 2, tax-free interest. Basic rate taxpayers can earn up to £1,000 in interest tax-free. Higher rate taxpayers get £500 tax-free. And with cash ISAs, you can save up to £20,000 a year, and all the interest on that is tax-free too. 3, beat inflation. Inflation is like a sneaky thief that makes your money worth less over time. Traditional accounts at 0.1% can't keep up, but high-interest accounts can help you stay ahead. All right, let's talk about the 4 main types of high-interest savings accounts. Easy access savings, perfect for short-term goals like vacations or big gifts. You can withdraw from it whenever you want. Notice savings. You need to give some notice before withdrawing, usually 30 days. They offer higher rates compared to instant access accounts. Fixed rate savings, great for big purchases like buying a car or saving for a wedding. They require you to lock your money in, so plan ahead if you need to make a withdrawal. Cash ISAs. These can be fixed or easy access and giving you tax-free interest. Great for long-term savings. Choosing the best account. Keep these tips in mind. Interest rate. Look beyond the highest rates. Watch out for sneaky fees or rates that drop after a promo period. Savings cap. Some accounts cap the amount you can earn interest on. If you hit the cap, consider opening another account to maximize your interest. FCA regulation. Make sure your bank or provider is FCA regulated. This way, your money's protected if things go south. So, there you have it. High-interest savings accounts are a super easy way to make your money work for you. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more money-saving tips. See you next time, and happy saving.